The demand for staying in nature and seeking better life increased nowadays. That's why Il Campo is here. Il Campo is a multi-purpose resort for ecotourism along the Nile River in Egypt. Designed to be your comfort zone for inner peace. Enjoy a day use in an Arabian area far away from another to get privacy with family and friends. Where privacy, entertainment, and healthy lifestyle in the same place, away from crowds of the capital. As a healthy mind in a healthy body, play amazing Nile and interactive activities with your little ones, away from screens. Grill your homemade or our fresh and source-known healthy meats on barbecue and eat outdoors to live camping experience. Nature lives within us, so back to nature, back to ourselves. Il Campo. Explore life beyond the traditional.